Hey, it's Shu here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a seahorse. And there's a kind of a basic kind of plan of how a seahorse is built. So you start by sketching out a circle like that. Don't press very hard because it's going to be hard to erase the pencil lines later when you've inked them in. Now we come a little snout down like this, and then come back like that there. And then what we need to do is to draw from the top of the head, keep this curve coming around like that. Then that will come around, not quite so much of a curve like that. And then we're going to want, trying to fit this in the camera at the bottom, which is not easy. So we're going to want this sort of curl coming around at the bottom. And you know, you can sketch this bit to get it right. So that's going to come up there a little bit, and then it's just going to come around, and then this is going to be like the tummy section, and then that will come around like that, and then you want it to come around the back there, so you've got this little extra bit, and this is where the fins are going to go on here. And then we're going to get a kind of a midline coming all the way down like this, and then from here we want this to get thinner and thinner, and you might then want to sort of bring the two lines together and draw them at the same time. We want a nice tight little curl in there at the end. So maybe, yeah, maybe that's all a little bit too, no, that's just fine. And then we're going to want to have an eye about there like that. Now the secret here is to kind of plan this out, and we want to have a line across there, a line across the middle of this little backpack thing there, and then we'll bring these lines up like that, and then maybe one up there as well, and then we continue these lines, crossing lines all the way around this curly-whirly tail like that. I just move that up, and as I say, don't press too hard because it's going to be really hard to erase those pencil lines when it comes to it. Now what we have here, basically a seahorse is trying to pretend to be a piece of coral. So let's start here, and we're going to kind of draw a little Y kind of thing and sort of funny little shapes on the head, and then we're going to come all the way down the body here, and we're going to, where there's a line, we're going to draw a little kind of bump like that. And here we're going to draw a big bump and another big bump and another big bump. Let's draw the snout, and you can make this a little bit of a crinkly line if you want. And I keep wanting to put a nostril in there, but of course it isn't actually a horse, is it? It's a fish. So we can kind of bring that around like that. The eye, I'm going to draw a circle and another circle inside it. And then I'm going to draw a circle there kind of at 1 o'clock and shade in this side of it. So you get kind of the light shining on the eye there. And again, we come down this side, and where there's a line, we put a little bump like that. And come around there, and another little bump, and then we can come down here. And then we're going to follow all the way around here with these little bumps like that, which are going to get smaller. They're just going to turn into little kind of bumpy things like that, and around there. I'm just going to speed through this section. Now here we want to put these kind of little crosses, but go curve, 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 curve. And I'll speed through this section as well. We can sort of put lines in between there, but make it a bit subtle. So, you know, you can make it slightly crinkly line, and maybe not all the way across the whole of the body. I'm going to paint this at the end for my followers on Patreon, so if you want to know about painting and watercolour stuff, come and join us on there. Click up here to find out more. Now here we're going to have the fins, and they're going to come out like that and like that, and then we want them to sort of come in slightly wrinkly and then like that as well, and then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and then here we're just going to have these little tiny little lines, and they're kind of pointing into these points like that. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. Don't make sure the ink is dry, otherwise you're going to smudge that ink all over the place. And then I think I'm just going to put some little marks around like that, and I think we could maybe just draw in these little kind of, they're not quite dots, they're more of a tiny short line really, and I'm just going to go around the whole thing with that and back again on the other side. And then I think we can put some sort of around the top there, and maybe I think we could get a little bit of sort of shape to the head like that as well. And we can add a little bit of kind of movement with the fins. I think we can get a bit of sea watery shape sort of coming through like that as well. And there you go, how to draw a seahorse. Join me on Patreon if you want to know how to paint it. Click down here and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawings every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.